The Aquirys Mizar PC case is a sleek and innovative addition to the world of computer hardware, combining a modern design with practical features that cater to both enthusiasts and casual users alike. From its eye-catching aesthetics to its functional interior, the Mizar stands out as a well-rounded choice for those looking to build a powerful and visually striking gaming or workstation rig. One of the first things that grabs your attention with the Aquirys Mizar is its unique design. The case features a minimalist yet futuristic exterior with clean lines and a brushed aluminum finish. The front panel, adorned with RGB lighting accents, adds a touch of flair without being overly flashy. The RGB lighting can be customized to match your preferred color scheme or synced with other components, creating a cohesive and visually appealing setup. Beyond its aesthetics, the Mizar excels in terms of build quality. The chassis is constructed from high-quality materials that not only enhance durability but also contribute to efficient thermal management. The case boasts excellent airflow design, with strategically placed vents and fan mounts ensuring that your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions or demanding tasks. The thoughtful placement of cable management features also contributes to a clean and organized interior, making it easier to build and maintain your system. One standout feature of the Mizar is its versatility. The case supports various motherboard form factors, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX, providing users with the flexibility to choose the platform that best suits their needs. The spacious interior accommodates high-end graphics cards, large CPU coolers, and multiple storage devices, making it suitable for both gaming and content creation setups. The tool-free design of drive bays and expansion slots simplifies the installation process, catering to users of all skill levels. The Mizar doesn't compromise on connectivity either. The front I/O panel includes USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, along with audio jacks, ensuring easy access to essential peripherals. The inclusion of a Type-C USB port is a thoughtful addition, catering to users with modern devices that support this standard. The well-placed power and reset buttons provide a tactile and responsive feel, contributing to an overall positive user experience. Additionally, the case's footprint might be considered large by some, so users with limited desk space should take that into consideration. In conclusion, the Aquirys Mizar PC case is a well-designed and versatile option for users seeking a balance between aesthetics and functionality. Its sleek exterior, robust build quality, and thoughtful features make it a compelling choice for those looking to build a high-performance system with a touch of style. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast, the Aquirys Mizar offers a platform that can accommodate your needs while making a statement in terms of design. Tell me, what PC case do you use? Press like on the video if you watched it until the end.